Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first perform clean driver installation. So click to start, type device manager, open device manager, extract Bluetooth, select the Bluetooth wireless, right click to uninstall. Okay, after that it will remove from Bluetooth and it will remove also from this location. Okay, after that then click to action and then click hardware changes. Then it will come back again. Okay, and same on this location also. Okay, and then close it. Then guys need to install the MediaTek Bluetooth driver. Okay, so open any browser and Google search box to type like MediaTek driver download. Okay, Windows 4, Windows 11. So guys, download always driver from official website. Like this is in Lenovo official website. This is Microsoft. This is this one. Okay, so you can go to this website, Lenovo first one, open click. Otherwise you can enter the model number of your laptop, like you are using suppose HP, Dell, anyone you can type and then you can, it will open it. Like click cancel, after that it will come download, again click it, then it will start like this. Then just single click to open. After that click, select the language, can click to next, then next, then accept, then next. You can extract only and you can install directly also. Can next. Now this is extracting and is successfully installed, then finish it, then close it. Then guys, next again disable the power saving Bluetooth power saving mode. Click to start, type device manager and open it. Then select the Bluetooth, extract Bluetooth wireless, select this one and right click to click the property and then click power management and then uncheck this and then okay and then close it. Okay, next guys, very important for your system, repair Windows system file. Sometime what happen, it will corrupt, that's why it's getting the issue. So restore via command, type cmd and right click to run as administrator and type this command dism online cleanup image and restore head. After some time it will start the percentage. Okay, and when it is completed then try to second one. So second one is this one, sfc scan now. Okay, so this is also 100% completed, then need to restart. But before that restart also Bluetooth service. So click to start, type services.msc, right click. Okay, after that find out Bluetooth support service, so press B, slow down, Bluetooth support service, this one, double click. If it is showing start, so click on start, then before that select the automatic and then apply and click to OK, and then again select this and left hand side restart option there. So it will take restart service. Okay, and then close it. Or when this is command is 100% completed, then restart your system and then please check it and comment me your issue resolved or not. Okay, thank you.